The elevator to success is out of order. You will have to use the stairs, one step at a time. Be a positive energy trampoline. Observe what you need and rebound more back. People often say that motivation does not last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. Work until your bank account looks like a phone number. I am so clever that sometimes I do not understand a single word of what I am saying. People say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day. Life is like a swell. What you get out of it depends on what you put into it. I always wanted to be somebody, but now I realize I should have been more specific. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championship. Individual commitment to a group effort. That is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision. The ability to direct individual accomplishments towards organization objectives. It is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon result. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Remember, teamwork begins by building trust, and the only way to do that is to overcome our need for invulnerability. I invite everyone to choose forgiveness rather than division, teamwork over personal ambition. Just one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Opportunities do not happen, you create them. Love your family, work super hard, live your passion. It is never too late to be what you might have been. Do not let someone else's opinion of you become your reality. You are not positive energy, you are negative energy. I am not a product of my circumstance. I am a product of my decision. Do the best you can. No one can do more than that. If you can dream it, you can do it. Do what you can with what you have, where you are.